Welcome to Volunteers Week 2020, a very special week in the calendar for all of us in Wales. A week when those organisations that involve volunteers can take a little bit of time out to say a really big thank you to those individuals who make such a difference through their volunteer time in communities right across Wales. This week, though, comes at a really difficult time, a time of crisis for the nation. Yet a time when we've seen more people volunteer than ever before. So a real opportunity to say a huge thank you to all of those people that have responded to the crisis and all those people who have given time up through the last year to make a difference across Wales. Our team at WCVA has worked with our partners in the CVC network and in the organisations that involve volunteers across Wales to identify particular themes where people are volunteering and are making a difference, so we can shine a spotlight on those different areas of work. Today we're opening the virtual doors and we're encouraging all of those organisations to say thank you by recording a message, using the hashtag Volunteers Week. Use the social platforms to get your messages out and to say that big thank you to your volunteers. And from all of us at WCVA, a huge thank you. Diolch yn fawr.